Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix an AIC facility if it's not working in Arknights Endfield. So let's get started. Now, most of the time, the facility isn't actually broken. It's usually one of a few common issues. And first, you want to check if the facility is even unlocked. Some machines won't run unless you progress far enough in the main story or research the correct node in your AIC factory plan. So to do this, you want to open your technology tab and you want to make sure the required tier like basic AIC 1 or 2 is actually unlocked. Next, you also want to check your power. Now, if your base doesn't have enough energy output, machines will simply stop working. So to check, you want to head over to your base. So head to your base map and confirm you're generating more power than you're consuming. Now, if not, just build or upgrade your power generators. Another common issue is there's no task assigned. So you want to open the facility interface and make sure a valid production job is selected. If nothing is assigned, the machine will just sit there idle. So you should also verify materials. If the required inputs aren't available, whether raw resources or components, the facility just won't start. So check the recipe requirements and make sure conveyors or storage are properly supplying the machine. Also, you want to look at the output storage. If the output slots are full, production stops automatically, as you've seen right over here, somewhere here. Now, sometimes it's just a UI issue. So close the facility menu, reopen it, and reassign the job. That quick refresh can actually fix stuck states. And finally, make sure you actually have enough base space. Some facilities won't function properly if you hit expansion limits. So unlock expansion nodes in your AIC factory plan if needed. So whenever your AIC facility isn't working, just run through this checklist. Unlocked attack, enough power, job assigned, material stocked, output not full, UI refreshed, and enough base space. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!